Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Saurav Civil Service Classes, and today we have discussed about Indian art and culture, and this is first class of first chapter Indian architecture, sculpture and poetry. So let's do it. Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical value, and traditional custom. And Indian art and culture also applied beyond India, whose culture stories are strongly connected to India by immigration and colonization. India's language, religion, dance, music, architecture, food, and custom differ from place to place within the country and outside the country. With a 5,000 years old culture, Indian art is rich in its tapestry of ancient heritage, medieval times, Mughal rule, British rule, and progressive art, and now contemporary art. Moreover, from a timeless era, art in India has been inspired by spiritualism and mystical relationship between man and God. Art in India had survived in its homeland and spread from time to time all over the world. Each king has left a deep impression of his affinity to the artist community, and the Indian art and culture glorified the India among all other countries of the world, and it make it incredible India. And its diversity of culture and art make India differ and from other country. Now come to the introduction of in Indian architecture, sculpture and pottery. The word architecture is derived from Latin word tecton, which means builder, and architecture started with the early man to build his shelter. When the early man began to build his shelter to live in, the science of architecture started. And on other hand, a sculpture is derived from the word proto-indo-european kale, means to bend, and and means a sculpture are a small work of art, either handmade or with tools, and are more related to aesthetic than engineering measurement. And aesthetic means the creative of a small art and imagination, and the sculpture is generally a small work of art and made of a single piece of material. And the difference between architecture and a sculpture is, here is the point of difference. This is architecture content and this is a sculpture content. The first point of difference is size and scope. In architecture, the size of scope refers to design and construction of building, and in sculpture refers to small and 3D work of art. And second is material used in architecture. It is made of a mixture of stone, wood, glass material, metal, sand, and extra usage of mixture of various type of material in architecture. And in a sculpture, single piece of a sculpture made of a single type of material. And third is principle. in architecture involves study of engineering mathematics and required accurate measurement, and in sculpture involves creativity and imagination, not need any measurement. In architecture, the construction of building uh, needs accurate measurement, but in a sculpture it is a small work of art, so they do not need a accurate measurement. Example of architecture is Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and extra. uh, and the example of a sculpture is Nataraj image and dancing girl, and so many the small uh, pieces of work of art, like a statue is a sculpture, and the big buildings of ancient time is referred to the architecture. Indian architecture. Indian art and architecture is a story of evolution that the story of Indian art and is architecture is a story of evolution from ancient Indus Valley civilization to British rule. The building and a sculpture have narrative their own. Uh, by seeing the buildings and a sculpture gives a brief description itself to tell about the evolution from Indus Valley civilization to British rule until the date architectures, the emergence and decay of great empire, the invasion of foreign ruler influence, the different culture and style are all reflect in evolution of Indian architecture and sculpture. Classification of architecture in ancient time is five: Harappan art, Mauryan art, post-Mauryan art, Gupta age art, and South Indian art. And in medieval period, there are two broadly Indian architecture classified. One is Delhi Sultanate and Mughal art. And in modern India, there is also two types of Indian architecture classified: Indo-Gothic style, Neo style,